Let's solve this example. 2 over 5 multiplied by 8 over 9. Solution. So 2 over 5 multiplied by 8 over 9. Now, we multiply the numerators. So we have 2 multiplied by 8. And then the denominators would have 5 multiplied by 9. Now, 2 multiplied by 8 will give us 16. And then 5 multiplied by 9 would give us 45. Always bring your answer to the fraction in its lowest term. But in this case, there are no common factors between 16 and 45. So this fraction is already in its lowest term, leaving our answer as 16 over 45. Thank you.